The best cameras for Instagram are designed to capture stunning, high-quality photos and videos that stand out on your feed. With advanced features like high-resolution sensors, fast autofocus, and excellent low-light performance, these cameras help you create professional-level content. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best cameras for Instagram you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Canon EOS R50 is an ideal choice for beginner photographers and Instagram enthusiasts seeking high-quality shots in a user-friendly package. Compact and lightweight, this mirrorless camera houses a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor that delivers exceptional detail and clarity, perfect for sharp social media photos and vivid videos. With Canon's RF lens compatibility, users can achieve professional-level quality through versatile lens options, enhancing depth, color, and focus beyond what any smartphone can offer. Plus, an adapter opens up a world of Canon EF-D/SLR lenses for even more creative possibilities. Capturing fast-paced moments is easy with the R50's impressive 15 FPS continuous shooting speed, while its autofocus system outperforms others in this category, ensuring subjects stay sharp and in focus. The 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen simplifies shooting from unique angles, and the electronic viewfinder with 2.36 million dots brings clarity to every frame. For video, it records an oversampled 4K from 6K, providing crisp footage that shines in all lighting conditions. Transferring files to a phone or laptop is seamless with multiple wireless options, making it a breeze to edit and upload content on the go. The Fujifilm XS20 is a top choice for creating Instagram Reels and Stories, offering advanced features in a portable package. Its 26.1 megapixel APS-C sensor captures stunning image quality, while the 3-inch fully articulated touchscreen is ideal for self-recording, allowing users to frame shots effortlessly. With an electronic viewfinder boasting 2.36 million dots and a maximum continuous shooting speed of 30 FPS or 20 FPS, this camera is perfect for capturing action in crisp detail. The XS20 shines in video capability, recording up to 6K at 30 frames per second. It offers 4x2x2 open gate recording and RAW support with an external recorder, giving users exceptional flexibility in post-editing, ideal for content creators who want to add their unique flair to footage. In-body image stabilization ensures stable shots, even in low-light conditions, enhancing video and photo quality. Additionally, Fujifilm's renowned film simulation modes, mimicking classic film stocks like Provia and Velvia, make it easy to achieve Insta-ready looks directly from the camera. Compact and feature-rich, the Fujifilm XS20 combines versatility with high-end specs, making it a standout for both casual creators and serious photographers alike. The Ricoh GR3X is a powerful, pocketable street photography camera designed for capturing vivid, Instagram-ready shots on the go. With its 24.24 megapixel APS-C sensor, this compact marvel delivers sharp, dynamic images. The fixed 40mm equivalent lens is ideal for street scenes, providing a slightly zoomed-in field of view that feels close yet natural, allowing you to capture subjects without feeling intrusive. The GR3X boasts rapid eye autofocus and effective image stabilization, making it perfect for spontaneous handheld shots. Its lightweight, compact build ensures it's ready to slip into your pocket, yet it doesn't compromise on features. For sunny days, the built-in neutral density filter helps regulate light, making it easier to shoot wide open and add a cinematic feel to daylight photos or videos. Though the GR3X lacks 4K video, its full HD quality is still excellent for Instagram Reels and Stories. Additional accessories like the optional GV3 optical viewfinder can enhance the shooting experience, although they add to the cost. Still, for photographers focused on capturing the vibrancy of street life, the Ricoh GR3X delivers performance, portability, and quality in a compact package, perfect for modern-day storytellers. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 Mark II is a versatile and affordable camera designed with content creators in mind, particularly for Instagram Reels, Stories, and other video-centric projects. It boasts a 26-megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering sharp, detailed photos and stunning 4K video resolution at up to 60 FPS, with minimal cropping. This flexibility makes it an ideal choice for dynamic video shoots. A standout feature is the Cinematic Vlog mode, which uses Sony's S-Cinetone for impressive cinematic looks right out of the camera, along with the option to shoot an S-Log for enhanced post-production flexibility with 10-bit color. The camera excels in autofocus, with a unique product showcase feature that shifts focus seamlessly between the subject and items being highlighted, making it perfect for vloggers. Its continuous shooting speed of 11 FPS and a burst rate of 30 FPS provide a smooth capture for fast-moving scenes. The 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen is another valuable asset for framing shots, especially for self-recording. However, the ZV-E10 Mark II lacks a viewfinder, and extended 4K recording may cause overheating, limiting long shooting sessions. For creators looking for an affordable, compact, and highly capable camera, the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II offers incredible value without compromising on performance, making it a top contender for video creation. The Fujifilm X106 is a compact powerhouse that continues the legacy of the X100 series with significant upgrades, making it one of the most sought-after cameras in recent years. Featuring a high-quality 40.2-megapixel APS-C sensor inherited from the X-T5, the X106 delivers exceptional image quality and versatility. Its 23mm lens captures stunning sharpness, while the retro-styled body with dial controls provides a tactile, immersive shooting experience. The 3.0-inch tilting touchscreen LCD makes framing easy, and the OLED hybrid EVF offers a brilliant 3.69 million dot viewfinder for precise compositions. This camera is particularly renowned for its excellent color science and film simulation modes, allowing users to emulate iconic film stocks with ease. Whether shooting JPEGs for social media or RAW files for more detailed editing, the X106 excels in both. The improved autofocus with subject detection and an impressive continuous shooting speed of 20 FPS ensures you won't miss a moment. The X106 also boasts 6.2K video recording at 30 FPS, providing a significant boost in video capabilities compared to its predecessor. The only downside is its price and limited availability due to its viral popularity. Nevertheless, it's a must-have for serious photographers looking for a stylish, high-performance compact camera. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.